Hello, audience. Tonight, I'd like to play a game. Under all of your seats are mason jars filled with nails ready to explode. I'm going to do 5 minutes of 90s urban hackneyed comedy. And if you don't laugh, you'll die. What's it going to be? Def Jam or Death Jam? Let's hope I don't bomb. Got a lot in common with crack dealers these days. Got a lot in common with crack dealers. We both put a lot of time and resources into creating trap houses. DJ!
It's Sean Powell, Lil John, take hold, young boys, you already know how we do it, homeboy.
Hell yeah. I was going down on my favorite bitch the other night. And I was glaring at that pussy. Being like, damn, that kind of looked like a bear trap. A bear trap that make you value your own life. You know what I mean? DJ!
Yo, it's town, on fire, it's real. It's town, you already know what? Lil John.
Love bear trap. I was at the DMV the other day, and I was looking around, and I was like, where are all the bear traps that'll make you value your life? Cause this shit is torture. DJ!
Eastside boy, and your boy Sean Paul, play like yourself, boy. They calling me, they come back to the street, we showing me. Hey.
Hell yeah. Look at my man over here. My man's shirt's so tight. Where you get that shirt, my guy? Online? How about I put you in a bone crushing machine, make you value your life?
Hey, Sean Free said it was necessary. These sucker niggas out here very scary. They coming home, they living in the month of February. Okay, then.
Thank you. I was in Home Depot last week with my best bitch. And she turns to me and she says, killing all these people isn't gonna bring back our dead unborn child. So I put that bitch in a bear trap, made her value her life.
This is a nigga on display then. Kicking the door and have my folk to bring them K's in. I'm still at it. A-double-T-I-C. It ain't a hoe out there for real. Who don't know about me, bitch, I'm for sure.
Sweet. What do you do, my man?
Who, me? I'm a stand-up local comedian.
How about I put you in a bear trap, make you value your life, you know what I mean?
Don't make me pop that trunk to the left, bitch, I would go get it. And I ain't selfish, I would let you. And your whole business won't catch me sipping, no prison, got a cold business. It's young bloods, 8-pound, all liquor sipping. Coming straight from the gutter, toe tag a motherfucker, leave him under a cup.
Thank you. My guy over there, what do you do for a living? What do you do?
Self-employed.
Fucking loser at the shop. How about I put you in a machine that's a car that rips your bones out of your body, make you value your life? How about that, huh?
Lil Jon, he dropped the beat to make it bounce like rubber. Sean Paul told the heat to make it muggy and sluggy. If we don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck.
Thank you very much. Have a good night, everyone.
Hey, if we don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck. Hey, if we don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck. Hey,
Give it up for Jigsaw. Oh boy. Judges, what do you think?
Hey, Jigsaw. Would you like a rubber ducky shaped like a unicorn? I'm gonna.
That's a professional doctor opinion.
No.
What a man! Oh,
But
okay.
that unicorn wanted to. I don't know.
But a score? You want to score him? Or?
Sure.
Okay.
I give him an 8.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I thought he was fantastic. Loved the crowd work.
That's good.
Thought that was fantastic, phenomenal. I really liked that he was ugly. I liked that he was ugly. I thought that was very marketable. You're not going to make it in Hollywood. And by that I mean the Hollywood Plaza up in Chris, New Hampshire.
No. I don't think it's true. We wouldn't let that guy in San Fernando Valley.
So back to me. He gets an anal plus 69.
That's actually a number, so okay.
I'm an all-powerful demon, and I'm in charge of 200 legions of demons. And I respect his hustle and his game. It's a shame his face is ugly, because he had a pretty spry body. I would give him a 5 take your body as my new vessel out of 10.
All right, that's a score. I definitely would give him this rock I found in Iceland.
I'll take it if he doesn't.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I need someone to hold on to this. There you go.
Perfect.
I love how he accosted the people, too. Always with the games with Jigsaw. That's real. I love it. Should I